Right, early morning start. What are we? 5:52. Just gonna warm the cars up and get out of Skipper's Canyon before all the traffic of the jet boat people come in. Hopefully we beat them. Right, it's my turn to do the swing bridge again. Need some light. That'll do. These spotlights are well and truly needed this morning, and Jordan's up there with his light bar. So that's good. You can see him in the distance. Right, made it out of Skipper's Canyon. Yeah, Coronet Peak. Sun's about to come up. We're just about to head Milford ways. Whew. That looks remarkable, because it probably is. Here we have it, the old famous Kingston flyer in the old garage. Right, so we're left here now. We're just heading into, well, Milford Sound really. We're just taking the main road. We're just taking the road in through the trees. Might stop at the Mirror Lake. That should be coming up soon, and then obviously the Homer Tunnel. Fingers crossed there's a care there, because it wasn't on that other road when it was too wet. And then yeah, we'll head into Milford and see what it's all about. Such a mean view out there. Yeah, what a stunning day. Where that sun is peaking. And we're very lucky too, because you don't get many sunny days in Milford. But this is very sunny. How's this for a flat valley? Rightio, here we go into the Homer Tunnel, and then it should pop out into the, well, I'm hoping it's far out. I didn't see it. Pretty cool to drive through it. Alright, we just made it to Milford. There's Mitre Peak. Good shelter thing for the winter days, but we don't have it today, so that's winning. Righto, we're about to board our boat. We went in for 2:45 to go tickets early, and the lady there reckons, do you want to go on the one now? Fucking hey, yes we do. What a legend. So we're going to go gate 3 we've got to find, and then we'll be going on our boat. And that is our boat right there.
Everybody's going to get a seat, I promise. I promise.
Here we go.
Now, as a glacier forms, the ice eventually starts to slide downhill. We had a little bit of rain a couple of days ago, and these ones will just siphon out the last of the moisture left in the bushes above it. One on the left is called Pixie Falls, the one on the right is called Fairy Falls. seals that we see in the fjords here. These are points. You see, she's actually 74 years old. Best thing about our national and our epic backyard. Once we're alongside, you'll be able to disembark the vessel the same way that you board it. Please don't forget any of your personal belongings.
So we just finished up our tour and a cruise ship followed us back in. How bloody awesome. Amazing. Worth it. The views are awesome. Even in the rain it would be bloody cool. But yeah, we got a stunner of a day. We're just leaving Milford now. Incredible views still. Just done the boat tour. That was pretty amazing. See the waterfalls and all. Bit of history on the place. But a cruise ship decided to come on in too. So how cool is that to get a cruise ship on our end? And it wasn't mucking around coming in. It's pretty fast. So yeah, that was neat to tick off the bucket list. Milford Sound, and even if you weren't going on the boat tour, just everything around is so pretty. It's worth coming for a look anyway. Bit of a drive in, but that's okay. Anyway, in Invercargill we sort of go. Back through the tunnel we go. Lights on. See if the CRV does some turbo noises. End up being closed, but it didn't say on the app thing, so that's alright. We're just heading to Invercargill sort of area.